Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can identify the primary domain controller. If you have multiple domain controllers and if you want to find which domain controller is a primary domain controller or which domain controller have FSMO roles. So I'll show you in this video step by step using command prompt how you can check, how you can identify your domain controller, primary domain controller, and which domain controllers have which FSMO roles. So I have this 2022 domain controller which computer name is DC, and you can see here domain name is itparivar.lan in my case. Okay, now I'm going to open here PowerShell and I'll execute some commands and I will show you using PowerShell cmd how you can check. So first I'm going to execute here one command, net accounts. So you can see here it is showing the password policy as well as the computer role. This computer role is primary, right? But suppose if you have multiple domain controllers and if you want to check which one is primary, in my case this is my primary domain controller on which I have executed this command. So it is showing like computer role is primary. Okay, so this is PDC, or you can say primary domain controller. But if you have a lot of domain controllers in your environment, so you have to go to the each and every domain controller and you need to run this command. Then you can only check using this command. But I have few other command like nl paste space /dc list colon. Here you have to enter your domain name. So in my case it is itparivar.lan. okay, hit enter. So see, dc.itparivar.lan is PDC. Okay, so this command will work for your environment if you have multiple domain controllers. So on any domain controllers, if you run this command nl test dc list and your domain name, okay, so it will show you which one is your primary domain controller. Okay, the another command is like net dom query FSMO. So this command will show you the all details like all five FSMO roles details. So you can see like schema master role is with dc.itparivar.lan. I'm in this domain controller, computer name DC. Okay, the PDC role is, this is the domain controller which is holding the PDC role also. So as of now, in my case, this domain controller DC, which name is DC, this is holding all roles, all 5 FSMO roles: schema master, domain name master, and PDC, RID, pool manager, and infrastructure master. But in your case, maybe if you have multiple domain controllers, so the FSMO roles will be on the different domain controllers. So this is the way, these are the commands how you can check your PDC or FSMO roles holder domain controller status. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, and if this is really helpful for you, please share with your friends also. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the new videos notification. If you have any query, please leave your comment. Thanks. Bye bye.